James? Yes, sir. I need you to pull some troublesome trucks. But I don't want to, sir. You'll be fine. Is this a special train? Asked James. Yes, it is, James. But why can't I take coaches? Edward's taking them already. Oh. When I hear you're working hard, you will get to pull coaches again. But sir, the troublesome trucks pushed me off the rails before. Well, if they do it one more time, you could pull coaches again. Okay, said James. And off he went. Right, now I have to go see Thomas, said the top hat. So the top hat left the yard and went to the other yard. Oh, there's a red signal. I should stop. So James applied its brakes, and then on, laughed the trucks. Whoa, cried James. Stop pushing, cried James to the trucks. And the trucks kept laughing and laughing. On. And then, suddenly, oh no! I'm coming off the rails! Ouch. He came off the rails into a field. He was leaking steam through his funnel. Later, Thomas, you have to fetch the breakdown train right now. Why? Because James is off the line. Oh. Okay. So Thomas decided to go on to rescue James. And he took the breakdown train out of the siding to help James. Hi, Thomas. What are you doing with the breakdown train? I have to rescue James because he came off the rails. Oh. Okay. But I have to go now. Can we take the trucks, Thomas? When you come back, with James, yes, Oliver. And soon, Thomas went on to rescue James. James had come off the rails. Don't worry, James. We'll soon have you back on the rails. Then Thomas arrived. Hey, James, I've came to rescue you. Thank you, Thomas, said James happily. No problem, said Thomas. Well done, Thomas, said the Tom Hat. Oliver and Toad will take those trucks. and get them back onto the rails. Yes, sir. And James, you will pull coaches again. Thank you, sir, he said.